Part two of my CES deals. Took a long time to get here, but it's been worth it, okay? Just saying. All right, I stopped with this one in the last video because this one is for something special, maybe, and let me explain. At school, we have been working, I'm part of a small group of people that have been working on planning a natural habitat for our playground, which includes a wildflower garden. That's going to be the first thing that goes in. It's going to be the wildflower garden. So it's taken a lot of planning and a lot of time. And, you know, I'm retiring and I'm leaving, and I've been kind of like one of the spearheads of the whole thing. And I'm hopefully going to see some of the flowers start to come up before I leave. I wanted to give the school something from me, and I thought this was the perfect thing. This might be the one I do, but I have another one. So for the wildflower garden, we're trying to attract birds and butterflies. Maybe I'll do them both. I don't know. But here's one little painting of a birdhouse, flowers, wildflowers. We're going to have cone flowers. Those are cone flowers, the pink ones back here. We're definitely having cone flowers in our wildflower garden. Hopefully we'll have lots of birds. My favorite right there, goldfinches. We're going to have some birdhouses. Some of the classes are going to build birdhouses. And yeah, this caught my eye, and I was like, this would make an excellent gift from me to school. Frame it, give it to them, you know. Yeah. 24 colors. Look, we got a key on both sides. Both sides. And we have the picture at the top. It should work up really, really nice. I like it. So, basic toolkit as well. Round drills. PJ packaging. So PJ packaging, we know, does not have DMC codes, and that's just fine. I don't need DMC codes on everything. I do not need to save every drill under the sun. Look at the colors though. PJ packaging usually has really nice drills. That's really a light blue. Looks kind of white, but it's a light blue. Look, there's a purple one hiding in there. You see it? He's hiding right in there. Yeah, very pretty colors. They have very nice drills. They really do. They got a lot of them. Look at this strand. Woohoo! Big strand. Round. I'm going to go through them quickly. Blue, dark blue. That's a rust color. Maroon, yellow. Look at that green. It's like neon. Another green. That's like an olive green. Very light olive green. Pretty, pretty pink. Love that pink. And a very beautiful purple. 208, 209, 210. I don't know, somewhere in there. A blue. Another blue. Then we get some grays. That's got to be black. Mixed with purple. There you go. Black and purple. Yellow. Brown. Purple. And gray. So there's the drills. Very pretty. All the colors, man. All the colors are there. We have kind of a red even. Yeah, I think they're all there. Green, yellow, pink, purple, brown. Yeah. All right. Let's see what else. I'm going to go for this one next because this one might go along with that one. Let's see. Nope. Sorry, I'm keeping you in the dark for a minute. I don't know. I'm mean. Well, I'm not mean. I'm just teasing you, making you wait. I want to do these two together. That's why I'm hunting and pecking for what I want here. I didn't think it would be this one, but it is. Ooh, this one's small. This is really small. I didn't think it was this small. Maybe I'll do both of these. This is a 25 by 30, and this has a butterfly house in it. That's a butterfly house with the slats. Butterflies can go inside, and we are going to build some butterfly houses to go in our garden. And there's a butterfly right there going in it. We're trying to, and there's another butterfly up there at the top. So this is little, it's small. Maybe I'll just do both. It has 21 colors though. Maybe I'll do both. That'll be my, my going away present. Oh, here's a big butterfly right here. Look at that one. Can you see him? There he is. He's blue. He's pretty. So maybe I'll do both since this one's so small. It's probably not even 25 by 30 really, because they're always a little smaller. That's pretty. Oh, it looks good from a distance. Look at it. Look how nice it looks. Those flowers are beautiful. We'll see what I have time to do. I've got, I got a few months. Not many, but a few. We'll see what happens. All right, toolkit and the drills. Okay, do you want to see all the drills? I mean, you can see them right here. Look, pink, red, pink. Hang on, come on, focus. Yellow, green, blue, purple, purple, blue, green. Come on, keep focusing. Gray, pink, brown. I'm not going to open this one. I think they're the same kind of colors as the other one. Nothing, but they're very nice. Look at all the pink and reds down here at the end. Come on, focus. Nice, huh? Yeah, I think I'll just leave those in the package for now. It's not PJ package. Yes, it is. There it is. PJ packaging. All right. Okay, I'm going to just leave those in there. You can see those. I don't normally like when people do that because I know I like to see the drills, but we just saw drills that are almost exactly the same. All right. And then, oh my goodness, this one, I fell in love with this. Hang on, I got to roll this one the other way. It's really wanting to roll up and curl. So those are the only two. No, the bookmark had, regular drills too. So it's 3 things with regular drills and the rest are all special. But you know me and special drills, I love them. If you haven't tried special drills, you guys, oh, you got to try it. They're so fun. Our basic toolkit. We'll go through these drills because they're special. Yeah, they're special. This is so cute though. Had to have this. Look at it. It's a shoe. It's a boot. It's a boot full of flowers. That's my life. Oh, summer, come on, hurry up. This is what I want to do. Put on my muck boots and get out there in the dirt. And I have to buy some muck boots first because I don't have any. I don't. I usually go out there with my flip-flops to get my feet all dirty. My husband hates it. I'm like, but there's nothing like just getting your toes in the dirt. Really? I mean, seriously. But isn't that cute? Muck boot. Full of flowers. Love it. Yes. Bring on the summer. Today is so sunshiny, you guys. It's like I need to get outside for a few minutes, but I am making video after video after video because my husband's out cutting down some dead trees and stuff. I'm taking advantage of him being outside, but I need to get out there. It's probably not warm, okay? It's probably not warm. It's probably very deceiving. Although, maybe it is. Maybe I'll go for a walk. Because I think they said it was going to get up into the high 40s, maybe hit 50. I don't normally go outside for any length of time until it's over 50. But we'll see. All right, let's do rhinestones. This is purple packaging. It doesn't have any numbers on it per se. But all right, look at the gold. Gold, gold, gold. Purple, purple. Purple. Blue. Lighter blue. If I get this in the right spot, you can see them. Green. Some more green. Some pink. Some more pink. Light pink. Red. Those are silver. Faceted. You see what those are? Smooth red teardrops. I have a bunch of these big red faceted. The gold color, yellowy gold is, wow, so bright. And these are smaller, clear. Got some white pearls. Then we got these guys. These are cool. These are solid gold. Gold on the top, gold on the bottom. Just gold. Isn't it cute? Oh, you guys, I am so ready for summer. This just makes me feel all warm and cozy and the sun's shining and I'm ready. I'm so ready for summer. All right, let me know what you think. Should I do both of these for school? Yeah, what do you think? Uh-oh, there goes my drills. Don't fall off my counter, little drills. No, don't go. They're so cute. Look at them. This one's mine. Sorry, school can't have that one. They can have those too. All right, you guys, bring on the sun. Let me get out of this house for a while and go for a walk or something. All right, hit the like button, subscribe, check out CES Deals. Hopefully things are going to start rolling here pretty soon when they get over the holiday and figure out what they're doing about that virus thing and get things rolling again. So check them out. Start looking, put some stuff in your cart, and just be ready, okay? All right. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.